Jamie here from Cosmic Kids. We are back for our second mental health superpower. If you haven't already, download the pack using the link below. For Children's Mental Health Week, we have a superpower to try out each day from Monday to Friday. And today you get to use a tool that will always be there for you. Something you do all the time without realising it. Breathing. Yes, why though? Well, just like a ninja, when you have to concentrate to take a test, or you have to defeat an evil alien mudfish, or you need to be brave and stand up to perform something, you need your mind calm and clear. The easiest, quickest way to get that is to breathe deep, and ideally make it fun too. So let's try a few fun ways of breathing deeply now. Let's do a couple of Darth Vader breaths. Crisscross your fingers, put them underneath your chin and lift up your elbows to breathe all the way in. Here we go. And a big Darth Vader breath to the sky. And again, breathing in. Darth Vader breath to the sky. And lowering your arms to the side. He even wears a black mask, just like Darth Vader did. Darth Vader does some very funny breathing. Crisscross your fingers, put them under your chin, take a big breath all the way in and lift your elbows. Now make a Darth Vader sound to the sky. Can we do that again? Breathing all the way in. And all the way out, Darth Vader sound to the sky. One more time, breathing in, breathing out, Darth Vader-like. Well, I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in. And so he does. He huffs and he puffs, using a tumble dryer breath. Bringing our fingers in front of our mouth and let's blow. Let's huff and puff. Here we go. Well, he huffs and he puffs and he huffs and he puffs, but the house of bricks does not come tumbling down. And there are light volcanoes exploding everywhere, coming into volcano pose. Down onto our knees, bringing your hands down in between your knees. We're going to breathe in as we lift up. Here we go. And then we're going to blow a light volcano to the sky. Whoosh. Breathing in, lift up. And whoosh a light volcano to the sky. Whoosh. And let's do a few little ones. Wow, it's amazing. Coming to sit on our bottoms with our legs crossed. We take our hands in front of us and join our fingers up together like they're the petals of a flower. Now as we breathe in, we open them nice and wide. Here we go. And we breathe out, joining them back together again. And again, breathing in. And breathe out. Lovely. Now we're feeling lovely and calm and very confident. Now we make a straw with our tongues, curling up the sides like this. And we take a big suck in. Delicious. Now if you can't do that curling up with the sides thing, do this instead. So refreshing and cool in our mouths. Cupping our hands around our mouth. Ready? We're floating up very high, everyone. Look. And we start to say our special little rhyme. We say tick, tock, like a clock, until I find my center center. Did you find it? I think you did. Well done, everyone. Close your eyes and breathe out all of your air. Now slowly start to breathe in and slide your finger all the way up one side of your thumb. When you get to the top of your thumb and you're full of breath, now slide down the inside of your thumb as you breathe out. Let's keep going along our hand, breathing in as we go up the side of our fingers and breathing out as we slide down the other side. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in and breathing out. When you get to the end and your finger reaches the base of your hand on the little finger side, you'll have taken 5 lovely, calming, steady breaths. It also feels quite nice, a little bit tickly on your fingers as you do it, which is good to focus on. Notice how you feel now. Hopefully you feel a little calmer and clearer. Whenever you feel some nerves and you want to return to feeling nice and calm, finger breathing is something you can do to help yourself. You don't even need to close your eyes. Just use the outline of your thumb and fingers to guide your breath. Well done, you. For more brilliant, easy breathing tools, download your free Superpowers pack now.